One, two.
Oh, Jollibee. Hello, boy.
Anti.
Hindi ka mo. Si kamu dito ikaw. Mga tita.
Ilan ka kabila?
Ako buhok. Wala na nabuhay.
Ang kabila.
Two?
Two.
Okay. Okay, ready na. Okay, one. Andrew Koy! Nara, oh! Okay, one, two. Nakuha ang smile.
Video na mo? Tama, ay,
Dili ko mag-play.
Iyo kayo, videohan ako.
One, tulo. One, two.
Patun ko na mo ni ate.
Uwi na ninyo,
Tawag daw mo.
Te.
Pas.
Te. I-videohan ako. Oo, na. Wala pa. I-videohan lang.
Panang kutsara, tong duha ka babae.
Tara, lechon dire oh. Ang lechon.
Ay, ikaw, uy! Diyan ka, nalinaw na. Dali mo, be!
Good evening to you, Lord. Thank you for this wonderful moment. Thank you for the gift of love, of life. Thank you also for the gift for having us, Andrew. Bless the life of Andrew. Give him the good health. All the gifts. Share the love of the parents, the love of the ninong and ninang, aunties, dulos and nulas, and give him the good life that he needs. Bless also the family, the father, the mother, Mama Angel and Papa Gabriel. Give them also good health. Bless also the family of Yanis and also the family of Angel, that they may be able to give and provide the love and care for Andrew. This we ask for your son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Happy birthday, Andrew.
Happy birthday, Andrew. Happy birthday, Andrew. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Andrew. Happy birthday, Andrew.
Ay, ako yung mga
Madali mo.